In an assessment process, you may have to send multiple emails to candidates for various purposes, including invitations, reminders, and communication of test results. This video tutorial showcases how the use of email templates in conjunction with sending emails can streamline your communication process. To send an email invitation to candidates, I will first navigate to the candidate panel of one of my tasks. Then, I will select the candidates to whom I want to send the email and click on the email button. The email button will display the number of selected candidates beside it, but it will only be enabled if those candidates have provided an email address. Using the email builder, it is possible to create personalized emails and include login credentials within the email by utilizing placeholders. These placeholders can be added to both the subject line and the body of the email using the plus buttons located next to each. Clicking on the plus buttons will display all available placeholders. When the email is sent, the placeholders will be replaced by their actual values. Placeholders for the task title, task link, assessment start date, candidate name, candidate credentials or group, and assigned tags for the candidates are among the available options. Additionally, there are numerous other options to choose from, such as the candidate's email address, assessment deadline, assessment duration, and instructions for the assessment. To personalize the subject line and address the candidate by name, I will set it as, "Hello John, you have been invited to participate in an assessment," utilizing the name placeholder in the subject line. After that, I will write a personable message for the email body, utilizing the placeholders to include details about the position the recipient applied for, and the assessment deadline. After composing the message, I will add a button containing the assessment access link, and choose the direct login option. This option enables candidates to access the assessment page directly without the need to enter an invitation code themselves. Lastly, I will preview the emails to ensure that everything is in order. I will do this by testing different recipients and observing how the subject line and email body are updated accordingly. If everything appears to be correct, I will configure the sender name and reply to email address, and then click on the send button to deliver the email. Great! The emails will be sent shortly. To monitor the events associated with an email, you can use the feedback column. This column displays a list of all events related to a particular email. Whenever an email is sent using the email builder, the system updates the template that was used, as well as all the associated configuration options. This means that the next time the email builder is opened, the same template with all the configuration settings will be loaded by default. To demonstrate this feature, I will select a few candidates and click on the email button again. As you can see, the subject line, email body, and all the previously implemented configurations are still present. While this feature greatly simplifies the process of sending emails, it may not be ideal if you frequently need to send different types of emails. In such cases, email templates can be a helpful solution. In the email builder, there is a section dedicated to managing templates located at the top. When you expand the templates panel, you will notice that the last used template is in use by default. To create a new template for sending an invitation, I will first save the current template under the name invitation by clicking on the Save As button and providing the new name. Suppose I also want to create a template for notifying candidates that the assessment has been reinstated. In this case, I will write the subject line and email body accordingly, then click the Save As button and name the new template Reinstate. Now I have 2 templates that I can choose from depending on the type of email I want to send. This saves time and streamlines the process of sending emails. Once you select one of the available templates, the subject, body, and configuration will be updated accordingly. It's worth noting that, after loading a template, you can still make changes and update it. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you in another video.